blackout. Ellie looked out the window. The snow was coming down all over the city. The lights were out as far as she could see. "Why are all the lights off?" asked her little brother Ben. "The storm made the power go out," said Mom. Dad lit candles. He put them around the apartment. Ellie hugged Ben. "Just think, we can pretend we live in a time before power," she said. The family played board games until the candles melted. The power was still out the next day. "What about school?" asked Ben. "The school is closed," said Dad with a tired smile. I grabbed Ben's hand. "Just think, we can spend the day doing whatever we like," she said. The family told spooky stories in front of the fire. The power was still out the next day. "I'm cold," Ben said with a frown. Everyone looked unhappy. Ellie brought out extra coats and blankets. "Just think, we can wear our favorite coats all at the same time," she said. The family squeezed into as much clothing as possible. Suddenly, all the lights turned on. The power was back. The family cheered. "Just think, now everything can finally go back to normal," Ellie said.
Good job. You're amazing. A perfect score.
Phonics.
Đây là con A, đây của con. Con á.
Audio. Sound. Speller.
It's time to listen for. Find the missing final sound that correctly spells the word.
Spooky,
Spooky.
Very good.
spooky.
Ooh.
Ooh.
E.
E.
Power,
Power.
You got it.
power.
Power.
Ow.
Er.
Squeeze,
Squeeze.
Yes.
squeeze.
Squeeze.
Qua. E.
Ease.
Pretend,
Pretend.
That's the right sound, but it doesn't correctly spell the word. That's it.
pretend.
Pretend.
R.
It.
E. D.
Normal,
Normal.
That's it.
Normal.
Or.
O.
Storm.
Storm.
Terrific.
Storm.
Storm.
Or. Good job.
Into sound speller.
It's time to listen for initial sounds. Do you know what initial means? Initial means at the beginning. So the initial sound is the first sound you hear at the beginning of a word. Let's listen. Find the missing initial sound that correctly spells the word.
Normal.
Very good.
Normal.
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 Or.
Or. O.
Squeeze.
Squeeze.
Great job.
Squeeze.
Squeeze.
Qua.
Z.
Pretend.
Pretend.
Excellent.
Pretend.
Pretend.
It.
D.
Storm.
Storm.
You got it.
Storm.
Or.
Or.
Spooky.
Spooky.
That's it.
Spooky.
Spooky.
Ooh.
O.
E.
E.
Power.
Power.
Excellent.
Power.
Ow. Good job.
I want to try the sound counter. Yeah, I know it's not that hard, but
Every word is. How many sounds do you hear in the word?
Normal.
nor. N. Or. So.
Yay! That word has 5 sounds.
Normal.
Hit each sound maker to hear it say a sound from your word. Hit the next button when you're ready to move on.
Or.
How many sounds do you hear in the word?
Squeeze.
S. Wait. 3 sounds. What?
No. Let's listen to the word again.
Squeeze.
Squeeze. Squeeze. Ease.
When you think you have the right number of sounds, hit the submit button to check your answer. How many sounds do you hear in the word? 4 sounds.
Pretend.
N. P. R. N. T. N. D.
How many sounds do you hear in the word? 7 sounds.
Storm.
St. S.
Good. That word has 4 sounds.
Storm.
How many sounds do you hear in the word?
Spooky.
Sp. Sp. Ooh. E.
No. Let's listen to the word again.
Spooky.
S. P. U.
How many sounds do you hear in the word?
Power.
Ow. Wor. Wor. Wor.
Yep, That word has 3 sounds.
Power.
Good job.
Lần đầu tiên con làm cái sound
Counter. Wait, no, I want to try this word counter.
Every sentence is made up of words, but not all sentences have the same number of words. Let's listen to a sentence and count how many words we hear. I like frogs. How many words did you hear in that sentence? I hear 3, so I will push 3 sound makers up into the sentence box. Let's.
Again.
How many words do you hear in the sentence?
Hello? I can't hear anything.
How many words do you hear in the sentence?
Try to squeeze your feet into your little sister's shoes. Try to squeeze your feet into your little sister's shoes. Try to squeeze your feet into your little sister's shoes.
To squeeze
Try to squeeze your feet into your little sister's shoes.
your feet in your little sister's
Try to squeeze your feet into your little sister's shoes.
shoes.
Good. That sentence has 10 words.
Try to squeeze your feet into your little sister's shoes.
Hit each sound maker to hear it say a word from your sentence. Hit the next button when you're ready to move on. How many words do you hear in the sentence?
Bring your umbrella, just in case there's a storm.
Bring your umbrella, just in case there's a storm. Good try.
Not quite. Let's listen to the sentence again.
Bring your umbrella, just in case there's a storm.
Bring your umbrella, just in case there's a.
Bring your umbrella, just in case there's a storm.
Wait.
Right. That sentence has 9 words.
Bring your umbrella, just.
How many words do you hear in the sentence?
A monster is a spooky creature.
A monster is a spooky creature.
Yes. That sentence has 6 words.
A
How many words do you hear in the sentence?
Let's pretend we live on the moon.
Let's pretend we live on the moon.
Great. That sentence has.
Good job.
Sentence
Unscramble.
Welcome to Sentence Unscramble. Classic Unscramble.
Welcome to Segmented Sentence Slopes. Help your hiker up the mountain. Listen carefully and put the words into the same order you hear in the sentence, or the hiker might not make it up. Choose a hiker to help up the mountain. Hit play when you're ready to climb the mountain.
Chọn bạn nào đây? Câu chạy đi này.
It's normal to feel achy and tired if you have the flu. It's normal to feel achy. Normal. It's normal to feel achy and tired if you have the flu. 2. Feel tired. It's normal to feel achy and tired if you have the flu. Tired. It's normal to feel achy and achy, tired. It's normal to feel achy and tired if you have the flu. If you have the flu. It's normal to feel achy and tired if you have the flu.
Yes, you heard that right. Here's another one.
Bring your umbrella, just in case there's a storm.
Bring
your
your
umbrella
umbrella.
just in
In
case
case there's a
storm.
storm.
Bring your umbrella just in case there's a storm.
Right. I heard that too. Ready for more?
Try to squeeze your feet into your little sister's shoes.
Try to squeeze
your
your
feet
feet
into
into
your
your little
sister's
sister's
shoes.
shoe.
Try to squeeze your feet into your little sister's shoes.
Right. I heard that too. Next sentence.
A monster is a spooky creature. A
Monster
is
is a
a
spooky creature.
creature. A monster is a spooky creature.
Yep, you were listening. Let's keep climbing.
Sắp lên đến rồi mẹ, sắp lên đến rồi. Why?
A car with a lot of power can go very fast. A car with a lot of power can go very fast. A
Car
with
with
a power can very go. A car with a lot of power can go very fast.
with a lot
Of fast. A car with a lot of power can go very fast.
Yes, you heard that right. Here's another one.
Let's pretend we live on the moon.
Let's pretend we live
on
on
the
the
moon.
moon.
Let's pretend we live on the moon.
Yes, you heard that right. You helped the hiker all the way to the top. Great listening.
Good job.
Great job.
I want to try spelling though. Spelling sometimes has some really appetizers.
It's time to alphabetize. Alphabetize.
Drag the scrambled words from the left and drop them into alphabetical order on the right.
B A B C D E F G H I J K L M N
Norm.
Okay, now find a word that goes before this word or after
O
it
P
and drop it in place.
A B C D E F A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q
I A B
Q
C, a
R
correct answer.
Pretend.
R
Not quite the right order. Keep trying.
Pretend.
Yes, one step closer.
That can't be it. That can't be it. Oh, I think it's A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V.
Spooky.
A B C D E F G H I J.
Not quite the right order. Keep trying.
Spooky.
I A B C, a correct answer.
Storm.
Good. Keep going.
Power.
Well done.
Good job.
Done.
Vocabulary.
And now... Oh, oops! It looks like we're still building your puzzle! Is it ready yet? They're waiting. Okay. And now, it's time for crossword!
One. Squeeze. Good try, man. 5. I just
Squeeze.
got the jackpot. I'm saying here. Make to believe or imagine. Pretend.
Pretend.
Spooky.
Spooky.
Storm. Storm. Boop.
Storm.
Power. Pound.
Power.
Xong.
Good job.
100 sao.